chicken coconut chili crisp noodles. F***ing delicious. In case you haven't noticed, I'm a thigh guy, boneless, skinless, which sometimes need a trim and definitely need to be cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to give this chicken big flavor quick by using fresh garlic and grating it along with fresh ginger. Grating it breaks it down, giving us the most flavor in a marinade. While I've got that grater out, hit it with some lime zest. I'm adding coconut, so I'm going to add lime now. A little curry powder and turmeric, which is going to give us that yellow color. Soy sauce for salt, and a little booze will help that marinade penetrate. In this case, rum. You got to put rum with lime. Baking soda helps tenderize by changing the pH, and cornstarch, the same technique Chinese restaurants use to marinade. Mix it real good. This marinade works quick. And shiitake mushrooms, the dried kind. You just stick them in water. The dried version have big flavor. Plus they last in your cupboard for like ever. When it's time to eat, a little canola oil in a pan, add that chicken, and spread it out. And leave it, don't touch it, it'll be fine. That's what you want. Give everybody a flip. We're using lemongrass along with the aromatics, which you have to peel and then dice. But if you can't find the fresh stuff, look for the stuff in the tube in the produce section. Julienne bell pepper and Julienne Fresno chili for heat. This way we mix the spicy and the sweet and no one can tell. If you want to be nice, put a jalapeno in there. But for me, Fresno chilies are the best. That chicken looks amazing, but we need some room in this pan. To start the aromatics, including the garlic and lemongrass. Drop your noodles, we're using lo mein, you can use whatever you want. Add onions and cabbage. And give that a quick toss. Soy sauce, a little coconut vinegar. Add those mushrooms and peppers. Some of that mushroom water. And instead of coconut milk, coconut cream. Add your chicken back in and give everybody a good toss. Drain your noodles. Our last moves, add your noodles. But we're not done. We're going to finish this with chili crisp and that lime. Yeah, that's going to be f***ing delicious. Give me a big plate of that. With extra chicken, please. The only thing that needs is a little more cilantro and a lime.
Oh, man.
Mmm.
That's a flavor mashup. Veggies, chicken, spicy, creamy, noodles. It's got a great little kick.
Those Fresnos.
This is a winner.
Oh, yeah, it is.
You know what? This would be great as a cold salad. It really would.